My name is Nikki Stevenson. I'm the owner of Southern Grace Cincy Catering, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a quick and easy lunch meal called the fried cauliflower rice with grilled chicken on the side. First, we're going to go through all of our ingredients. So today we're going to be using a bag of cauliflower pearls that you can get from Kroger. You want to make sure you rinse these first before you put them in the pan. And then we also are going to be using a bag of the frozen carrots and peas. You can use fresh peas or fresh carrots if you like, if you have the time to do that. We're going to have a teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. We're going to use a teaspoon of fresh sea salt. And then we have our house seasoning, which is going to be salt-free, that we're going to season the chicken with. So all these ingredients are going to go on to 2 pieces of grilled chicken breast that you want to let marinate just for about 30 to 20 minutes so that the herbs and seasonings can just base into the chicken. You want to do a half a small onion finely diced in with your fried rice, your fried cauliflower rice, and then a half a bell pepper. You want to dice that in as well. You're going to use 5 garlic cloves in your mix, and then you're also going to have some fresh squeezed ginger, which is going to be a table teaspoonful. You're going to use 5 squirts of soy sauce into your mix, just depending on how much you want for color, and you don't want to make it too salty, so that's why I said start with 5 squirts. We're now going to go over to our pan, which I've already started to slowly cook the fried rice. We have our cauliflower pearls that's been blended in with the fresh peppers and the onions, the garlic, and fresh ginger. We're going to turn our heat up just a little bit, and then we're going to turn up our heat on our grilled chicken. So while the cauliflower base is just slowly simmering, you just want to flatten that out so all the heat can get through to every vegetable. Over here, I've already diced up our chicken. This is going to be 1 chicken breast that I'm using just for myself for lunch. So you just want to let this slow cook and grill it with the fresh house no sauce seasoning, the fresh ground pepper, and the sea salt that's been marinated into the chicken. I'm cooking this chicken in with some fresh coconut oil just to give it more of a little light buttery taste. And then we're just going to let that slow cook while the cauliflower mixture is cooking. So you're just going to start turning this on a medium-high heat to everything is cooked all the way through. You want to make sure that when you cook your red pepper that it has more of a gold, like a burnt red orange color. You can see that right there. We're going to go back to our chicken and we're just going to dice it. You want to make sure every piece is cooked to a golden brown. And if you could just smell the aromas of this chicken, it smells amazing. Just check it. We want to make sure every piece is cooked all the way through. I know at the beginning I said use 2 fresh chicken breasts. I'm just cooking lunch for myself, so I'm just going to use 1 chicken breast. If you have anywhere from, I would say 3 to 4, you would want to use the 2 chicken breasts for this entree. I love the color that we have with this mixture, so I'm not going to add any more soy sauce to this entree. So I'm just going to flatten that out, and we're going to move over to our dish. And if you can see the color, I think we should start over. I don't know if you can go around me like that.
Just literally messing up.
So we're going to plate this cauliflower mixture just like that. And we'll just stick this right here. And then we're going to take our fresh grilled chicken and just place it right on top, just like that, of our mix. Now this entree can be used as a vegetarian option and a vegan option as well. You don't have to do it with the grilled chicken on top. I just prefer the fried cauliflower rice with the grilled chicken. And this is pretty much my lunch for today. And I think it's time to eat.